Hey everybody, Andy Storz with Sullivan Strategies here, continuing the conversation around some of our tips, some of our advice, some of the tools that we've run into when it comes to working remote. So today we wanted to share the new employee setup. We use kind of this general outline. Whenever somebody comes onto the company, we want to make sure that whatever space they have at home is going to be optimal for what they need to do. So if you're a company that maybe has people that haven't worked at home previously and you want to be sure that they're getting set up in the same way that they would at the office, well, this might be something worth watching. So we're going to run through the equipment that we use and show that, it really doesn't take a whole lot of investment to really get somebody where they need to be. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to share the other screen here. All right, what you're looking at right now is the list that Sullivan Strategies uses when a new employee comes on board. Roughly about $1,500 to get them just a fantastic workstation. So we're going to jump through each of these individual items, talk about them real quick, talk about the value and the logic behind why we think this is important. So first thing, monitor stand. Now, most offices are generally already going to have these. If you don't have them at home, get them. They make such a big difference. Right now, the computer that I'm recording on, I have 3 monitors, giant one, medium one, and then a really wide one. It makes all the world of difference. And we talked the other day, if you're bringing your laptop home and you're just checking emails at the end of the night, that's fine. One screen usually does the trick. But if you really want to be able to get in there, you have detail-oriented work, you need the extra monitors. So speaking of monitors, here's a pretty fantastic choice. These nice curved monitors really makes a difference with the picture, but again, not a huge investment. A chair. If you're going to be in it all day, get a good chair. This one isn't a really fancy one, but it's going to be important that if we have people working from home and they're going to be remote for a long time, they need something comfortable to sit on. A nice mouse. Now, I'm somebody, I like a pretty basic mouse. Just a nice HP. But some people really like their fancy mice. And in this case, this is a really sharp one. Now it is really ergonomic, and people that use it say fantastic things about it. At Sullivan Strategies, it's looked at as a really good investment. Again, if you're going to be using this stuff all day, get something nice. The pluggable. Now, this thing is going to make a huge difference, especially for people with laptops. Now, I remember my old HP laptop having to figure out, okay, well, I'm going to put the HDMI cord in here, link it up to this monitor, and then I need to go buy a USB to VGA for this other monitor, and then I'm going to use the laptop kind of position in the middle. This thing makes all of that so much easier. Makes such a big difference just being able to get everything plugged in, use this as a centralized hub. The standing desk. We've all talked about how sitting is the new smoking. Well, the standing desk, this is a really, really nice one, and it isn't all that expensive, especially when you consider how much you're going to use it. If it's something you're using all day, every day, make the investment, get something nice. We think it's important. We want people to be able to have the option, be comfortable. Lastly, if you don't already have laptops for your folks that need to be remote, if you're a company that's working on transitioning people out of the office, getting them into the field, having them working from home, a new computer isn't going to cost all that much. Really nice one here for about $500. Okay, so I know that was a really quick run through, but again, we want these things to be fast, easy, get the information out there, and help out people however we can. So again, If you want to talk with us at Sullivan Strategies about this or anything else, please reach out. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.